Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. It's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to use a bunch of colors. All laying down next to each other. That was Decor 24 karat gold. This is water lily. I don't have a lot of time left, so I'm kind of trying to be shortchanged a little bit. Oh, my Rhapsody Rose is not open, which is too bad because I really want some. Can I get it to come out? I'll leave that to the side. Grab some saffron. This is a novel idea for me. And some yellow orange. Oh, I just ruined my pattern. I don't care. I really don't care. I want some blue velvet. Might as well. I know I need to shake this one up. Oh yeah, that sounds like it separated almightily. I don't know what's going to go in there yet. I'm going to find some frozen. I've got Fandango. Looks like I'm laying out a rainbow, which will probably change in time. This may not work either. Be nice if it did though. It doesn't have to be tidy. I decided after the last time I did 3 distinct zones. And I took too much time to do them. What do I want now? I think I'm going to use my Tangerine. And it's open, which is good. And I don't want to use that again. What do I want to use? I think I want to grab some of my Mystique. There, I've changed my rainbow. And I want a purple, which I'm thinking is red violet. Vivid Intense. And I want to lay some colors over each other. I've got Tickled Pink to go in the saffron. You know what? I didn't use any orange crush, and I'm going to. And I'm just going to keep doing that. I've got some Vibrant Aqua that I think I'm going to throw right into the mix. And I'm almost to the point where I could call it good. I want more orange in here. And maybe more yellow too. Okay, it's time to start swiping and scraping, because I think that's what's going to happen. Get a few bottles out of the way. No matter what happens, I can always paint over it and use it for background. I'm going to put some dazzling white in there. Am I? Maybe I'll wait. I've got the white and the gold. Let's go for a spatula. And I need a scrape dish. And where did I put all my scrape dishes? I've got one. That will work. So here goes nothing. Looks like I should have shaken up the gold. Let's go from the other side. And I just put my fingernail in, but it's okay. At what point in time am I going to start scraping off colors and using them to lay next to each other? I guess this is the time. But I do want to just keep going from the way I laid the stripes out. I want to go from the fat side. I've got all that residual color right at the bottom. And I'm just going to lay them over each other. Hopefully keeping my fingernails out. It's time for a trim. I've got to keep going with my original plan, which was to go from the fat side, so let's do that. I don't want all that. It's a fast start. I'm going to scrape that off just on general principles. I think I might throw a little bit more red violet right down there along the edge. And then come back in. I almost thought about dribbling my residuals back into the painting. I'm sort of throwing caution to the winds right as it is, so maybe I won't do that. Although it's still tempting. That's basically orange and I don't necessarily want that. But I could add any colors I wanted to on top. Kind of want some red violet in here. And in here. And a little, oh, well, that paint chip will have to get found later. That's some more Fandango. So get rid of my excess first. Keep my hands out of the painting. I'm loving this, actually. It's exceeding expectation at this point. It may never get a background. It might be the goal right here. Let's see if we can find out what this is. I love, love, love the way the colors mix. And then that happened. Which should probably be okay. You know, I'm pretty happy with that, just as it is. So I'm going to call it good, and I'm going to have to paint my edges black, I think. The exception of this one, where I'm just going to use my extra paint color. Well, that was fun. And I bet it's shimmery. And if I wanted something else, I could put it in there. And I kind of wanted something else, but I think I'm over it. I could keep swiping and I could keep adding colors. I want pink in here. I'm going for the Dancing Fuchsia. I'm going to risk it. Am I? Maybe I'm not. Yep, I got it. In for a penny, in for a pound. I think that's enough. Sort of want a clean spatula. I've always liked stripes. It is really so tempting to put some gold in. But I suppose if I really wanted to, I could do it tomorrow. And I've got awesome colors in my dish that I'm going to spread out on my silicone mat, and I'm going to shimmer this at you and call it good. Those are some gorgeous colors. Thanks to Colourarte, who does still exist. What fun is that? That is fun. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.